Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Well, it's been such a long time since I did a YouTube video. I have missed you guys so much. To be honest with you, I miss myself being on YouTube. It is so good to be here. I mean, this is what I love doing. I love doing makeup. I love fashion. When I'm sitting in front of the camera, I feel right at home. I am here today to give you this look, this dewy finish look. And I paired it with this beautiful, gorgeous lashes from Sean's Beauty. This lashes is everything. It gives me life. It is just so gorgeous. If you like this look and you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come be a part of my family. I'll be doing my makeup whilst I tell you why I took some time off YouTube. I think my last video was a Halloween video back in November. I'm going to be doing my makeup whilst I talk to you guys. It is so good to be back, and it's so good to be sitting in front of my camera and filming a makeup video. To be honest with you, I don't know what makeup I'm going to do. I usually don't plan my makeup looks in advance, you know, I just do it as I go along. So hopefully it turns out well. Without further ado, so I'm going to be doing the makeup. I bought this palette, this eyeshadow palette from Revolution Pro. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know what colors I'm going to be using from this yet, but I will pick one like I always do. I'm going to be starting off with my eye. I'm going to be using this concealer. So it's a conceal contour highlight from Toofaced, one this way, and it is in the color Butterscotch. Okay, we're going to be working on the eye. I've heard so much about this concealer, it's unreal. And I'll be applying the other one on the other end, on the other side. Oh, I think I got way too much. I put way too much on the other side, but it's okay. We will make it work. And from the Makeup Revolution Pro palette, I'm going to be using this one. I'm going to be using that one as my transition shade. Wow, it is so pigmented. To be honest with you, the reason why I've been away, I wanted to take a break from YouTube because I felt like YouTube was taking over my whole life. The editing, the filming, you know, when you're doing the makeup tutorials, the filming takes so long because I'm now learning how to edit. Like, it takes me so long to edit one video. I realized that was taking over. It was taking over everything basically. All I was doing was just filming video and editing, filming video and editing. Which, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. I actually do love it. I love doing that. But at the same time, I thought it was just taking over way too much. And when I took a break, I decided to use it as an opportunity to do what I love. I wanted to do makeup and hair. I wanted to actually turn it into a profession and like into a business and make money out of it. Whilst I was away and taking some time out, and I was thinking about building some form of like an online wig business, also makeup. I haven't started fully operating yet, but it is on the way, and I will keep you guys posted. To darken the crease a little bit, I'm going to be using this color Black Hole. It's called Black Hole. You guys, I don't know if any of you has taken a break. If you have, when you take a break and you come back from the break, do you find out that your subscriber count has drastically gone down, or does it increase? With me, every time I take a break and I come back, my subscriber count has drastically reduced, like decreased. It was about, I had 200 or 300 plus closed accounts. And for me, I think that is just way too much. You guys, let me know if it happens to you guys. when you come back from a break. Or from the Makeup Revolution palette, the same palette that I've been using. I'm actually using one palette for the whole of my eyeshadow from a drugstore. I'm going to be using Eclipse, like that color there. Mascara is the Max Factor False Lash Epic. It's called Epic and it's brown. You know, I forgot and I got myself a brown one. What was I thinking? And obviously it's not going to show on my lashes, but I'm going to use it anyway because I've got the one that I've got here is finished, so I'm going to use this one. See what I mean? My eyelashes are very fine. It's non-existent. If you don't look closely, you might not even see that I have any eyelashes. And imagine buying a brown thing as well. It's definitely not going to show. Guys, I just want to show you guys this. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the lashes that I got from Sean's Beauty. She's on YouTube here. Look at the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I got this one is Shelly. Lashes are absolutely gorgeous. I'll leave all the details in my description bar for you to go and purchase. It is so gorgeous. They're thick, they're long, just how I want it, bold and beautiful. The foundation I'm going to be using today is Born This Way. It's in the color that I actually wanted. I didn't get, so I just got this one instead. It's just slightly too red for me, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it work. And I got the Hazelnut one. It's not really my color, like I said. I've worn it once and it is so beautiful. I mean, the foundation is so beautiful. So, you see what I mean? It is a little bit too red, but it's okay. Make it work. God, it's so full coverage as well. The consistency is just amazing. It just looks like I've got a lot on my face, even though I didn't put that much. So the foundation itself is very good, except that the color that I picked is not really my color, but it's okay. Concealer that I bought, concealer is on the yellow side, so it's gonna make it work. The concealer that I'm going to be using, it's Born This Way again, and it's in the color Butterscotch. I'm not going to be using too much. It's very, whew. You see what I mean? That's about it. It's a little bit lighter than how I want it, but it's okay. I'm going to be using Clinique powder in Stay Brandy. That's the one I always use. I normally do blush, but not today. I'm using the Revolution Strobe highlighter. I dropped it and it's all gone in pieces. It's all shattered. It's going to be in, woo, that's a lot. I wanted to bring it down on my cheek so that the cheek stands out a lot more. When I smile, I'll be like, I want the cheek to be plump. I'll be using that color for the bottom. Terrain. The lipstick I'm using today is from Kat Von D, and it's in the color, is the liquid matte lipstick. The bow and arrow. The pencil as well is Crucifix. Is the dewy finish makeup look. I love this look. It is gorgeous, and the lashes just brought everything together. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye.